welcome to break 3115 for the 2019-20 Leaf Superlative Hockey Collection. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. And there we go. It's Sunday, August 23rd, 2020. It's 10:21 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:21 p.m. Central Time, and 7:21 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have 101 with 3, DG 3, West with 1, Led Zepp 3, Staple 2, Jari with 3, MVB with 2, Ear Mule 1, Purple 1, Sky Davis 3, Vanilla with 7, and CRLE with 2 spots. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. 101's on top, CRLE on the bottom once. And speaking of hockey, we listed the 2013-14 Panini playbooks today. So feel free to check those out. 6 and lucky number 7 has Vanilla on top. Jari on the bottom. Alright, Vanilla with the Ducks, Coyotes, Sky Davis, Bruins, Jari Sabres, West Charles with the Flames, Jari Hurricanes, 101 Blackhawks, Purple Avalanche, CRLE with the Blue Jackets, 101 with the Stars, Staple Red Wings, DG with the Oilers, MVB with the Panthers, Sky Davis with the Kings, Vanilla Wild Canadians, Led Zepp Predators, Devils, Islanders, Sky Davis Rangers, Staple Senators, Vanilla with the Flyers, CRLE with the Penguins, ER Mule with the Blues, 101 with the Sharks, DG Lightning, MVB with the Leafs, DG with the Canucks, Vanilla Golden Knights, Capitals, and last but not least, Jari with the Winnipeg Jets. Alright, all sealed up. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. And if we have multiple teams, we'll either randomize, but be sure to check that out. Alright, good luck everybody. Like that last box had 6 autos, but it was all for the same team. But we'll find out. Empty. Let's see what we have here. We have a 2 of 2. 500 goals. We got some work to do. We have Jerome Iginla, Mike Bossy, Matt Sundin, Joe Sakic, Bobby Hall, Mike Madonna, and Guy LaFleur. We got 7 jerseys. Check. We got some work to do here, guys. Game used jerseys. Very cool. All right. Let's get to work. It's going to take a minute. So what we'll do is confirm we technically don't get their teams, so we have to look each guy up. And actually, go back to the card for 1 second. Let me do this. We have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll start now with Jerome Iginla. All right, so we're going to have Calgary first on the board. So Calgary Flames. So what's going to happen here is we're going to look up each player and most likely be randomizing all these different teams. Unless someone has all 7 teams, which is possible. Those are all New York Islanders. Led Zepp. That's Sunbeam. That's going to be Toronto. That card is sick. That is a 2 out of 2, by the way. MVP. Joe Suck. Colorado. Purple. Chicago Blackhawks. We got all kinds. You guys have a lot of chances at getting this card. All right, Bobby Hall, Mike Modano. Dallas Stars. And then not Guy Fieri. Montreal. All right. Vanilla. All right, so we have the Calgary Flames, the Blackhawks, the Avalanche, the Dallas Stars, the Montreal Canadiens, the Islanders, and the Maple Leafs. That is sweet. So what we're going to do now is randomize those 7 teams 7 times. Whichever team ends up in the first slot, this card is going to you. The 2 out of 2. Iginla, Bossy, Sundin, Sakic, Hall, Modano, and LaFleur. Those are all game-used jerseys. Let's get to work. All right, so Calgary Flames, Chicago Blackhawks, Colorado Avalanche, Dallas Stars, Montreal Canadiens, Islanders, Maple Leafs. That's 7 teams and 7 of you. That's pretty wild. Well, good luck to all of you. One last look. 7 teams. We're all here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good luck, whichever team is in spot number 1 after the 7th time. This card's going to you once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and one more time. And spot number 1 is going to the Dallas Stars. Who has the Dallas Stars? 101 Connect. Congrats on break 3115 in the 2019 Leaf Hockey Superlative Collection. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. And right after that, we're going to have break 3127 for the 2020 Topps Clearly Authentic Autographed Baseball Card. Thanks!